Good afternoon, parents, prospective students, and my wonderful set of friends who are here. I do not have a lot of original stuff to say, so I'm going to take a flower and present you with a bouquet from each of my former speakers. So our campus is not only a place of academic pursuits. We have had a lot of academic people come and speak, but I'll guarantee you that it's not a place only for academic pursuits, but is a melting pot of diverse talents, passions, and dreams. What truly sets our university apart from various colleges that I have seen is the feeling of togetherness. Here we are not just students, but are members of a closely knit community that is driven by encouragement and passion and support too. Whether it's collaborating on group projects, which I've done with many of my friends here, participating in some events that had hosted in college, or even just having lunch, which I've done with friends and also people who are on the stage, it brings a sense of belonging and kinship there. I'm going to touch a bit on the academic rigor that defines our journey. Our classrooms are not spaces for lectures, but are dynamic arenas where ideas collide. When I say collide, they do collide. Perspectives are challenged, and intellectual curiosity is nurtured. We are guided by faculty members who are experts in their fields, but also mentors and guides, both inside and outside the classroom. We embark on this journey that extends beyond the confines of the textbook and syllabi. Our education at SAYU extends beyond the walls of classroom. We are encouraged in hands-on experience, as spoken by many, through research papers, which are our assignments, internships, and community initiatives, which where Anuj led a couple of semesters ago. The hands-on experience not only pushes us to understand what it is, but also instills a sense of responsibility to use our knowledge and skills for the betterment of society. Now a bit on the student life. Student life at SAYU is not only defined by academic pursuits, but again, the word that's commonly used here today is a rich tapestry woven with a myriad of extracurricular activities and cultural events. If you open the booklet, the prospects booklet that's been given to you, you would see photos from the night we had karaoke night, where we had students come and sing their heart out, when we had Onam celebration, etc. At the heart of it all, our university is where personal growth flourishes. We are encouraged to step out of our comfort zones from our academic mentors and take risks with optimism. We are also taught to embrace failure, one of the key things that I've taken away from college. Through the highs and lows of our journey, we have learned of resilience, perseverance, and also there was once I heard a speaker who said, the invaluable lesson that's quite not taught is that true growth happens by overcoming challenges. I'm in my second year right now, and I'm truly filled with gratitude for the countless experiences, friendships, and countless memories that I've had here. Each day at SAYU brings new opportunities for learning and growth, and most importantly, self-discovery. That constantly inspires and challenges me. I leave you all with one point. Again, I go back to my first one, which is it's not only about academic achievements, but it's a holistic experience that encompasses personal growth, prolonged friendships, and unforgettable memories. As we continue on our journey, I welcome all of you and the parents to join us and embrace every moment with the 3 Ps that I've borrowed from our KVR sir: passion, purpose, and perseverance. Thank you.